Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty. And if you're not, welcome back. Hold up. Okay, much better. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my Yes or Yes August bag. I was pretty excited with this month because we got a pretty nice palette. So I'm going to show you guys all of that. So yeah, I was going to try to incorporate some of the items on my makeup today, but I couldn't. So I will do a tutorial where I include the palette because it is so pretty. So yeah, it did come in a silver one today. Look at the holographic; it's so cute and pretty. Okay, so take everything out. Okay, so this is the this month's theme is Cali Love, and this month's retail value was $94. So $94, you guys. Okay, so yeah, this month we got 5 items, and they're all full-size products. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the first thing I see. I'm gonna save the best for last because yeah, do it. First thing is a sheet mask, and this is by this is by Masquerade Pre-Party Sheet Mask, and it retails for $12. And I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Like, look at this. Really pretty. It's a ultra moisturizing infused with argan oil, eco-friendly. And it brightens, primes, and energizes. Pretty cool. I'm gonna read you guys what it says on the back. You may be ready for a night of partying and celebration, but is your face? Make sure you stand out from the crowd and start prepping your skin now. Create a perfect canvas for foundation application with pre-party preps. Silky, lightweight blend of natural argan oil, orange peel oil, super fruit extracts, rice extract, and honey to energize. Hydrate, brighten, and prime your skin for a flawless and velvet smooth finish. That is so cool. So yeah, this retails for $12. So pretty excited to try this mask. The next thing is these are natural green tea blotting papers. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the package first. These are by Sormi, and these retail for $12 too. So this is what it looks like. And it just tells you how to use, but it doesn't really say much about the product. The final touch in an all-day perfect finish white green tea extract known for its calming effects infused with super absorbent natural pulp paper. It does have 100 sheets in here. Damn. In this little thing? That's pretty cool. So yeah, this retails for $12. Okay, the next thing is a brush, and I'm also going to take this out of the packaging because I haven't yet. This brush is by Crown, and this is their angled contour brush, and this retails for $22, girl. Damn. So this is what the brush looks like. So it is a contouring brush. It is really, really soft, and I think it's going to be a perfect size to make a really precise contour because it is kind of thin. So that is pretty cool. I love getting full-size brushes. That's so cool. Okay. The next thing is by Laga & Co. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. And this is one of their cloud lip matte lipsticks. And this retails for $20. Damn. $20. And I got the shade Sherbet. Yeah, Sherbet. I'm gonna open it. Oh, first I need to show you guys what the packaging looks like. This is the packaging right here. It is really cute. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna read to you guys what it says first before I show you guys the actual product. On the back it says Cloud Lips Airy Matte Lipstick. Full coverage that feels as light as a cloud. This highly pigmented lipstick has a matte finish for long-lasting, fluffy, pouty lips that stay put. Oh, that is so cool. So yeah, this retails for $20. I actually like the packaging. It is so cute. It is a rose gold metallic-y packaging. And then you open it. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh. Wow, that is really matte. Damn it, I already fucked it up. Oh well. This is what the actual, I did kind of smush it. But this is like the actual lip color. It is a really pretty pinky nudie shade. And this is the swatch right there. You guys can see it is really matte. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. It's a really pretty shade. $20, you guys. $20. Damn. The last thing is a palette. And it's by Beauty Creations. And this is actually new, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Because I do follow Beauty Creations on Instagram. So this is their Cali Set palette. Right here. And this retails for $28, you guys. $28. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, so the packaging does look like the box. So this is the packaging right here, and this is the inside. It is a really, really, really pretty palette, you guys. Like, come on, look at this. So pretty. I'm so excited to try this. I haven't swatched it or anything just because I just want to try it. But wow, I'm just gonna do a little bit swatch right now. So this is one. Oh my god, these are really creamy. So these are the 4 shimmery shades. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hands. Wow. Can you guys see that? Sorry, they're a little bit uneven, but these are super pigmented and creamy. Wow. So yeah, that retails for $28. Like, so yeah, expect a tutorial with this one pretty soon. It is a really pretty palette. I'm pretty excited to use this. And even after I swatched it, there's no fallout or anything. So that's pretty cool. Wow. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. That is all I got this month. Like I said, there are full-size products. It is $14.99 a month plus shipping and handling. But I do have a link. If you guys click on the link, you guys can get 10% off your first box if you guys don't have it already. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.